Okay. Just let me remind you what we've been talking about last session. Last session, we started with second order differential equations where we first solve the homogeneous differential equations. We mentioned that first of all, we need to write the auxiliary equation or the characteristic equation, which is am squared plus bm plus c equals 0. And then we solve the quadratic equation to find the roots. If the roots are real equal, then we have some result for the equation, so solution. Or if they are real but different, or if they are complex roots. So based on the type of roots, we write the solution. We solve few problems together. We solve one example. I will solve just two examples, and then we go to solve together a few questions. Now have a look here. Here we have given y double dash minus 4y plus 4y equals 0. Now here he gave me initial condition y equal 3 at x0, y dash equal 1 at x0. Now from here I can write the characteristic equation m squared minus 4m plus 4 equals 0. Now this is my character. As you can see here, I can call it m or lambda, whatever you call it, lambda squared minus 4 lambda plus 4 equals 0. I solve it. Use factorization, quadratic formula as example here in this way, equals 0. Let me say m, and 2 minus, then this will tell me that m equal 2, which means the same. So I come to write the solution. Solution directly will be constant plus constant times x exponential root times x. Now two constants need to be solved. I need two initial conditions. He already gave me these conditions. But I need to find y dash first, okay? Because I will substitute here for y dash by its value. So I came here, but multiply this part here, and then differentiate exponential. You see here c exponential 2x plus 2c, and rearrange. We got this formula. Now let's back to the condition. Here the condition say when x0, y3. I will substitute here by 3 and here by 0, here by 0, and simplify. As you can see here. From the first one I got c1. Now I come to y dash. I will substitute also by x0, y dash 1. I mean here 1, here 0, here 0, here 0, and simplify. We got equation with two unknowns. Since c is known for me, which is a 3, I can find c2. So I have c1, I have c2. Let's come to substitute them here and here. Now this is how it look like the final equation, the solution. Another problem. I will solve this one, then we will solve together a few problems. I will say, okay, this is m squared plus 0.2m plus 4.01 equals 0. He gave me initial condition to find the constant later on. I will come to say, okay, let me start working m1, m2 equal quadratic formula, because here I have 4.01 and so on. So I will write minus b plus minus, as we learn in foundation and in secondary school, b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then I have here a is 1, b is 0.2, c is 4.01. I substituted and solve. What I got? See here, complex. This is alpha and this is beta. I remember the formula, the final solution, exponential alpha x. Where is alpha? This is alpha. Exponential alpha x. Plus constant cosine beta x. Beta is 2. Plus constant sine beta x, which beta is 2. Now to find the solution, the constants a and b, I need to find y dash because I need to use these conditions. I multiply definitely here and here, or just directly assume this is u, this is v, and solve them. Either way, you will find the same solution. I got here formula. Now let me take the conditions here. X equals 0, y 0. X equals 0, y dash equal 2. I will substitute it in both equations, in this one and this one. What I got from the first substitution, I found a equals 0. So this part cancelled already, or let me say this part cancelled already. What is left? B, I got it from the second substitution. B found to be 1. So I just substitute here 1. Then this part will be multiplied by exponential is the result. Now, based on this discussion, what we will solve, we'll solve these problems. I want you to start solve the first one here. This one. Solve the first one. And then we will discuss together. Take a couple of minutes and start working. And when you find the roots, please let me know. Who found the roots? Yeah, you can start working. يلا أحمد، حماد، محمد، كوثر، عايشة، مروة، يلا نريد نشوف شغلكم. حد وجد الروتس؟ Anybody found them for the first problem?
0.5 and 1 minus 1.5.
0.5 and minus 1.5. Anybody else found it? The same roots?
Same, doctor.
That's great. So
Yes.
these are the roots. I will solve them. But before that, these are real root, but they are different, right? Are you agree with this? So y equal, you tell me, constant, exponential, how much? 0.5 x plus b exponential minus 1.5 x. So this is the solution. Now how we found them? Use the quadratic formula as example. You want me to solve it with steps, or it's okay, it's fine until this point? Clear?
Yes.
Great. We go to the second one. We go to the second one. Now I want you to start with it, and then I will solve it in details. Go to find the roots and tell me. Anybody find the roots? Please tell me. Did you find them? What you use to solve them? Quadratic formula or factorization?
0 and 4.5.
Excellent. 0 and 4. It's clear. It's simple one. You see here, you write m 2m square minus 9m equals 0. So you can take m as a constant. 2m minus 9 equals 0. So either m is 0 or 2m minus 9 is 0. It means 2m equal 9. And this leads to m equal 9 over 2, which is 4.5 directly. So we have 0, we have 4.5. We can't write the solution directly. Y equal C1 exponential 0, which means 1. So this will be 1 plus C2 exponential 4.5x. Now I want you to solve the third one, this one. Okay.
-2 -2.
Excellent. Excellent. You solve it. I think you solve it by factorization. Plus 4m plus 4 equal 0. So by factorization, m here, 2 equals 0. Okay, plus, then this mean m equal 2. M1 and 2 equal to minus 2, sorry, which is the same, which is mean real equal. So how we write the answer? Y equal, you tell me. You tell me, yeah, I'm listening. A plus bx exponential minus 2x. This is the solution. Okay. Let me take more examples, more questions to solve. Just 1 second. Let's solve the first one from the top. Try to find M1, M2.
-1/2 plus 3 divide 2j.
Minus, repeat please, again. Minus how much?
-1/2
Half, 1 over 2. Then, what is the second root?
plus 3 divide 2j.
J, you mean complex?
Yes.
Plus minus J, okay, in this way. Anybody else found it? Is this correct, or anybody found it before I solve it? Okay, let me solve it. 4m squared plus 4m plus 10 equals 0. Okay, I will write m12 equal, supposed to be minus b plus minus square root 2b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I will substitute. Where is b? This is b4 minus 4 plus minus square root 4 square minus 4a is again 4 times c is 10 equal over 2 times 4, which is equal minus 4 plus minus 4 times 4 16 times 10 160, 16 times minus 160. How much? Help me with the calculator. What is the number inside the bracket? Inside the square root? 16 minus
144.
Take square root for this. Take the square root. How much it will be?
12.
12.
12. Yeah.
Great. So I will write here j, because there is minus inside, 12 over 8, which lead to minus 1 over 2, because 4 over 8, 1 over 2, plus base of 4, this will be 3 over 2. Okay. Plus minus j. Okay. So this is beta, this is alpha. Now I write the solution. The solution will be y equal exponential alpha x. Alpha is minus 0.5, let me say, okay. X, open bracket, a cosine. Beta is 3 over 2, which is 1.5. 1.5 x plus b sine 1.5 x, close the bracket. Clear? How you find it? Easy? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Great, great. Now we solve this. Can you solve the second one? Tell me how much m.
Minus 1 plus j.
Minus 1 plus minus j. 1. Okay. Okay, let's solve it together. M square minus 2m plus 2 equal 0. Now we solve it by quadratic formula factorization.
But
What do you think?
minus 1 plus j.
Sorry. I did. I know, minus 1 plus j. But we solve it by factorization, you want? Can we? Oh, no, we cannot. So we go for quadratic formula. M1, 2 equal directly, I will substitute in the formula. Minus minus will be plus 2. Plus square root 2 square 4 minus 4ac 2 4 by 2 8 over 2a2, which is equal to 2 plus minus j here, square root of 4 2 over 2, which give 1 plus minus j1. This is alpha, this is beta, so we write the solution directly. Y equal exponential x, open bracket, cosine, sorry, a, forget the constant a, cosine beta x, it means x plus b sine beta x, which is again 1 x.
Doctor, minus
Yes,
1.
minus 1. You see, I forget the minus 1. Where is the minus 1? Did I?
Because minus 2 over 2, that's equal minus 1.
But this minus 2 is b, right? And before b, there is another minus. Minus minus will be plus, right?
Doctor, yes.
Correct. Thank you. So can we solve the third one? Can you solve it? Solve it by quadratic formula, by the formula. by the formula.
Doctor, equal 1.6.
1.6.
1.67.
Yeah. 1.67.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is the second
Yeah.
root?
The same.
Oh, they are equal. Okay, great. 1, 2, they are equal. So how can we write the final solution? You tell me. Y equal. Yes. Constant A plus. You tell me. What should I write?
Exponential.
Dx. Excellent. 1.678. Excellent. Now I think with these problems, now we are ready to solve more problems next week, inshallah. Next session on non-homogeneous. When we move to the non-homogeneous, we already prepared ourselves for homogeneous one. I will stop here to be continue next week, inshallah. Do you have any question before I leave?